6:16 right now, and this is a developing story. SB 1070 heading back into the courtroom. Could be a huge day. Lots of people paying very close attention to this, including us and the Arizona Capital Times, our news partner. Bill Bertinello joins us now, live via phone. Bill, let's talk about this. What can we expect today? I mean, lots of anticipation. There's two cases going on here. Do we have any expectations? Do we know?
Well, what we do know is that, like you said, there are two separate hearings, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and they are both seeking an injunction to stop this law from going into effect just a week from now. The Friendly House, which is a nonprofit group that supports immigrants in the state here, is trying to stop the law on the basis of that it will lead to racial profiling. And the federal government, as you know, that's the most high-profile case. That is the later hearing in front of District Court Judge Susan Bolton, and the federal government will be arguing as well to stop the law from going into effect. But on the basis that the state doesn't have the authority to institute its own immigration policy. So we could see a ruling today from the bench, or we could see a ruling before July 29th when the law goes into effect. It's really hard to say.
Yeah, there's only a week left, which is kind of surprising when you think about all the anticipation and workup. We've been talking about this for months, and now we're a week out from it possibly taking effect. Quickly, Bill, do you expect protests? Do you expect demonstrations today?
Yes, we do. There was a hearing a week ago on another case, one of the 7 cases that have been filed against this law, and there were protests there. We expect more today down at the federal courthouse because of the fact that the federal government is arguing its case. So we expect more. And interestingly, we have something going on here at the state capitol. The Arizona Latino Caucus has gathered elected leaders, they said, from across the country that will be coming to the Capitol today at 1 o'clock. They're opening up the Senate room, or the Senate building, to show their to show their critics of this law.
All right, Bill Bertolino with the Arizona Capital Times. Thank you for joining us this morning. And you guys are going to be tracking this all day. We're going to be doing the same thing. We've got ABC 15's Jody Heisner out there this morning. Corey Rangel is going to be there this afternoon. He's going to be inside of the courtroom, and he's going to be tweeting all day. So you'll want to follow him on Twitter if you want to keep track of what's going on. And we'll have continuing coverage throughout the day on abc15.com and right here on ABC 15. So if you want to track this, we're your best spot to do that.